Thank you, Mr. Speaker.
And thank you, members. And, since the afternoon note belongs to the Horace and Horace, we can't get all the time. Mr. Speaker, every country has foreign workers. We in Jamaica, we are no exception, but we abide by the Foreign Nationals Act that gives permission and offers guidance as to how work permits should be issued. However, it cannot be that work permits are issued by the Labour Ministry for household helpers from Philippines, store clerks, casual workers on construction projects. That's not what it was meant for. The Ministry of Labour, I'm not saying the minister. You know, you're my friend. I'm not saying you, minister, but the Ministry of Labour should not be issuing work permits to foreigners to come and play reggae music in hotel. I go to a hotel the other day. When I walk in the hotel, I see a man sitting down with a guitar. I think it's Brazilian. No woman's, no cries. He can't even sing the Bob Marley song. He's on a work permit. Mr. Speaker, this cannot be good. This is a disgrace. On a work permit, it doesn't matter how much is the investment. The laws of Jamaica are the laws of Jamaica, and we must abide by the laws of Jamaica. It is a disgrace. No woman's no cries. Can't even sing the song, but no woman's no cries. Mr. Speaker, it is a disgrace to have someone come into Jamaica on a 3-month visitor's visa. And within the 3 months, that person set up shop in Santa Cruz and downtown Kingston. We are the laws of our country. Immigration and Ministry of Security and the Ministry of Labour must enforce the laws of Jamaica. We can't go there and go do anywhere, go do as we feel like. No.